Have you ever wondered if there's more to healing than just medicine and therapy? What if I told you that your spirit holds the key to not just temporary relief, but permanent healing? Today, we're diving into the inspiring teachings of Louise Hay, a pioneer who transformed countless lives with her affirming philosophy and belief in the power of self-healing. Louise Hay taught us that our thoughts shape our reality, and by changing our thoughts, we can truly change our health. But how exactly does this work? It all begins with something profoundly simple, yet incredibly powerful: spiritual gifts. These aren't just talents or rare abilities. They're innate parts of every person that, when awakened, can lead to lasting wellness and transform everyday experiences. Imagine living a life where each moment is guided by a deep inner wisdom, where synchronicities aren't just coincidences, but meaningful signs pointing you toward the right path. This isn't just a dream, it's a reality that many have achieved by following Louise Hay's principles. And the most exciting part, these signs of healing and transformation are accessible to everyone, including you. Today, we'll explore 10 signs that indicate your spiritual gifts are leading you toward permanent healing. From recognizing a newfound awareness of your inner dialogue to feeling a compelling desire for authenticity in all aspects of your life. These signs are both affirmations of where you are and beacons guiding you to where you need to be. Whether you're feeling stuck in a cycle of stress, dealing with chronic illness, or simply seeking a deeper sense of peace. Understanding these signs can be the first step toward a revitalized and vibrant life. And by embracing this journey, you're not just recovering, you're rediscovering yourself. It's not about fighting what ails you, but aligning with your greatest potential. And as we go through each sign, remember, this isn't just about learning, it's about experiencing. As Louise Hay often said, if we are willing to do the mental work, almost anything can be healed. Let this be your invitation to start that work, to listen deeply to your own life, and to find healing not just in mind, but in body and spirit as well. Stay tuned as we delve into each sign and consider this not just a lesson, but a personal exploration. What will you uncover about yourself today? What part of your spirit is ready to heal? Let's find out together. Remember, healing is not only possible, it's waiting for you. Let's embark on this journey to unlock your spiritual gifts and achieve permanent healing. The journey to self-discovery and healing often begins with an awareness of our inner dialogue. When we start to listen closely to our thoughts and feelings, we unlock a powerful tool for personal transformation. This awareness is your first sign of awakening spiritual gifts, guiding you toward a deeper understanding of who you are and what you truly desire in life. Enhanced intuition follows closely, serving as a compass that directs you toward healing and growth. Louise Hay believed that by tuning into our intuition, we gain access to an inner wisdom that knows exactly what we need to heal, not just physically, but emotionally and spiritually. It's like having a personal guide inside you, always pointing you in the right direction. Life seems to speak to us through synchronicities and coincidences, making you wonder if there's a hidden message just for you. These are not mere accidents, but are profound indicators that the universe is in sync with your personal journey. Each coincidence is a clue, a whisper from the universe guiding you closer to your true path. Noticing changes in your energy levels can also be a significant spiritual indicator. Some days you might feel unusually energized, ready to tackle the world, while other days you could feel unexpectedly drained. These fluctuations are not random. They reflect the ongoing changes within your spirit and signify your body's response to new, aligning energies. Physical symptoms that improve or evolve also mirror your spiritual progress. As you heal spiritually, you might find that certain ailments begin to diminish or change in nature. This is not just a physical reaction, but a holistic transformation encompassing body, mind, and spirit. Relationships often serve as mirrors of our inner state. As you grow spiritually, your relationships may shift. You might find yourself drawn to people who uplift and support your highest good while naturally moving away from negative or toxic connections. These changes in relationships highlight the healthier, more harmonious connections that support your journey. Altered sleep patterns frequently accompany spiritual awakenings. You may find yourself needing less sleep as you tap into a new source of energy, or perhaps needing more sleep to process the profound changes happening within. Sleep becomes not just a biological necessity, but a barometer of your spiritual state. As your spiritual gifts develop, you might experience heightened sensitivity to your surroundings and the people around you. This increased sensitivity is a double-edged sword. It can be overwhelming, but also profoundly insightful, offering deeper empathy and understanding towards others' feelings and situations. The growing sense of oneness with the world reflects a significant spiritual milestone. This feeling of connection extends beyond personal relationships to a universal bond, embracing a shared experience that transcends individuality. It's a profound recognition that everyone and everything is interconnected. Finally, a deep desire for alignment with your true self often signifies a nearing of spiritual maturity. This isn't just about knowing who you are, but living a life that is fully in sync with your values and beliefs. It's about authenticity and integrity, being true to yourself in every aspect of life. Each of these signs not only guides you on your healing path, but also connects you with a deeper part of yourself. They invite you to listen more closely, understand more deeply, and live more fully. As you explore these signs, consider how they manifest in your own life and how you can nurture them to foster a richer, more connected existence. When exploring the intersection of spirituality and science, many find comfort in knowing that certain aspects of spiritual healing are supported by scientific research. For instance, the power of positive thinking, a cornerstone of Louise Hay's teachings, has been linked to better health outcomes in various studies. These findings reveal that a positive mindset can significantly affect physical health by reducing stress hormones and boosting immune function. Comparing Louise Hay's approach to other healing traditions, we see common threads. Similar to mindfulness practices in Buddhism or the emphasis on emotional well-being in Ayurveda, Louise's principles focus on aligning the mind and body to foster healing. These shared concepts across different cultures and philosophies underscore a universal truth about the deep connection between our mental and spiritual states and our physical health. Engaging with this topic isn't just about listening, it's about sharing and growing together. I invite you to reflect on your own experiences. Have you noticed any signs of spiritual awakening in your life? How have they manifested? And what changes have they brought? Sharing your story can not only provide you with insights, but also help others see they are not alone in their journeys. And to nurture these signs of healing in your everyday life, consider integrating simple practices like meditation, journaling, or affirmations. These activities can help you maintain a positive mindset and stay attuned to the subtle shifts within your spirit and body. It's about creating a daily routine that supports your mental and spiritual well-being, paving the way for healing and growth. However, it's crucial to approach spiritual signs with discernment. Common misconceptions include the belief that spiritual healing can replace traditional medical treatment. It's essential to view spiritual practices as complementary to other health interventions, not as substitutes. Understanding these boundaries helps in safely exploring spiritual growth. For those eager to delve deeper, numerous resources are available. Books like You Can Heal Your Life by Louise Hay or websites dedicated to holistic health can expand your understanding and provide practical tools for incorporating spiritual wellness into your life. These resources serve as guides, offering new perspectives and methodologies for those on their healing journey. Remember, every step you take on this path enriches your journey towards a healthier, more aligned life. As we wrap up our exploration of the 10 signs you will heal permanently with spiritual gifts, as inspired by Louise Hay, it's important to reflect on the profound journey we've embarked upon together. We've delved into the transformative power of recognizing and nurturing our inner dialogue, intuition, and the meaningful coincidences that guide our paths. We've considered how changes in our energy levels, physical symptoms, and relationships can signify deep spiritual healing. We've also explored the importance of sleep patterns, heightened sensitivity, and a growing sense of oneness with the universe. Each of these signs is not just a milestone on the path to healing. They're beacons that light our way to a deeper, more connected existence. Recognizing these signs in your own life is the first step toward harnessing your spiritual gifts for permanent healing. Whether you've noticed one, several, or all of these signs, know that each is a confirmation of your potential for profound personal growth and healing. By embracing these experiences and understanding their significance, you are setting the foundation for a life filled with health, happiness, and harmony. This journey of healing is ongoing, and the insights we've shared today are merely stepping stones. There is so much more to learn, so many more experiences to explore, and an infinite amount of wisdom to gain. As you continue on your path, remember to stay open, stay curious, and most importantly, stay connected with your inner self and the world around you. If you found value in our discussion today, and if you're eager to continue exploring the depths of spiritual healing and self-discovery, I encourage you to like this video and subscribe to the channel. By subscribing, you'll gain access to a wealth of resources that will support you on your journey, connect you with a community of like-minded individuals, and provide you with the tools you need to transform your life. Thank you for joining me today. Remember, the path to healing is as unique as you are, and every step you take is a step toward a brighter, healthier future. Keep moving forward, keep shining your light, and let's continue this beautiful journey together. Like this video, subscribe for more content, and turn on notifications so you never miss an opportunity to enhance your life. Together, let's unlock the full potential of our spiritual gifts and achieve lasting healing and well-being.